All right, guys. Yo, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? You guys are doing good? I'm gonna give it like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minutes. Just a few minutes for everybody to get on, and then we're gonna get on with this. All right, thank you everybody for joining me. Ooh, I feel very, very loved today. 71 people. Yeah, I do have an echo, and that's never gonna change. You know why? Because I don't give a shit about the quality of my streams. I'm not one of those YouTubers that's gonna spend 5 hours editing my videos or building a whole room just for streaming. I'm always gonna give it to you guys raw like motherfucking sex without a condom. That kind of raw like Brokeback Mountain, Jake Gyllenhaal, Heath Ledger kind of style in a fucking tent somewhere in a mountain. That kind of raw. So let's do it, guys. Let's just do this. Okay, so welcome everybody to another live stream of mine. My name is Philakone. For those that don't know me, I'm a degenerate day trader that's been in the crypto game for 9 years now, and I haven't even made $100,000 yet. And by the way, guys, I don't have access to my Twitter until today, so I apologize if I'm late to DM you back on Twitter. I got locked out of my own account because I got like a new laptop and a new phone. I logged in, so it restricted my other shit. So I'll get back to you guys later today for sure, okay? Anyways, I'm just kidding. I've been in crypto for like 9 years now. This is my third bull market. I've been through 2 bear markets. I'm known as a bearish trader. I'm known as somebody that shorts the market and makes the majority of my profits from shorting rather than longing. And then I'm also an investor that I hold long term. I've invested in hundreds and hundreds of different coins before. I'm on pace to hit about 8 figures in my portfolio very soon. And I want to make sure that I give back to the community by helping you guys reach a lot of your long-term goals. And I want to see a lot of your future dreams and crypto profits come to realization. And I'm here to guide you with the best possible advice. So come join me, everybody. Let me take you on a trip. We're going to go through what has been going on with the crypto markets. And we're also gonna just generally talk about like how crypto is trending, etc. Right? So let's jump right into this. Right now, the way Bitcoin is looking, honestly, guys, I hate to tell you this. Fuck, man, you probably don't want to hear this, but I just got this feeling that like that crypto is actually gonna go to like it's probably over. Like just the way that everything is looking right now. If you take a look at this candle. We usually see these types of red candles at the end of a bull market where the next week, which is this one, it's a big red candle that's forming already. So I just think that I'm just fucking with you guys. The bull market's not over. You dumb fucks! The bull market's not over. It's just beginning. You dumb fucks. It's not over, guys. It's not over until the fat lady sings. For everybody that has a fat girlfriend, tell her not to sing, okay? Not that there's anything wrong with having a fat girlfriend, but the bull market's not over until the fat lady sings, okay? So it's actually just picking up, and I'm going to talk about some of the metrics. By the way, guys, I got one of those chairs. Check out this chair. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's one of those chairs that like has a footrest that comes out. You know, the footrest that comes out, so you can like lean your foot up. So I can be like, you know, you can have sex while trading or something like that. It's pretty fucking epic. You can just lie down and just like play on the computer. You fucking play games when you're not trading. You don't do things like that. Okay, so there's so many factors that are leading towards a bull market. So I'm gonna talk about some of my predictions, which comes true probably. Like, I don't mean to be cocky, and I'm trying to be as humble as I can, but I think that my predictions don't come true close to 100% of the time. In fact, not even 80% of the time, not even 90% of the time. Like, my predictions are not even close to 70% of the time. You know why? Because they come true 120% of the time. That's why. Not only do they come true, but they come true even more whenever I call something out. And that's my reputation for not only nailing things 100% of the time, but usually 120% of the time. That is the reputation I've given myself, and I will not disappoint you, okay? So I believe that December, the first 2 weeks for Bitcoin is going to be really shitty, okay? My volume is a little low. Sorry about that. Is this better, Armut?
Do you want me to have a 50 Shades of Grey kind of voice just for you, baby?
Is this better, guys? Okay, so I think that December is gonna be really shitty for Bitcoin, like the first maybe 2 weeks of it. But the good news is that altcoins, they don't give a shit about Bitcoin right now at all. Okay, they don't give a fuck about it at all. It's right now like altcoins and Bitcoin was like married. You know, they were like married. They're like going on vacations together. Wherever Bitcoin goes, the altcoins are like, yeah, I'm just gonna follow you too. You know, and then Bitcoin went on so many vacations from the low of $48,000 to 100K, and then Bitcoin was finally like, man, I'm fucking tired now. I don't want to go on any more vacations. I just want to take a little bit of a break. And you know what these altcoin bitches did? They're like, I'm gonna fucking keep going without you. I don't give a shit without you. I'm gonna find me a man. Okay, I'm gonna find me a man that's gonna take me places, Bitcoin. If you wanna stay where you are, Bitcoin, I'm gonna fucking go to Europe. I'm gonna go to Netherlands. I'm gonna go to Thailand and fuck some lady boys. I don't give a shit about you. So I'm just gonna keep going without you. And you know what happened, guys? That's exactly what happened to coins like Cardano and XLM and Polkadot and RSR and XVG and IOTA and Jasmine, KDA. There's so many coins that don't give a shit about what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's that fucking old man that is just too tired to fuck, and not even Viagra or Cialis can help it. Because these young chicks, these young fucking bitches just want to rally. They just want to go 72% all day. They just want to fuck 5 times a day, and they don't give a shit about Bitcoin anymore. They moved on to bigger and better things. And you know how you know that this is true? The total 3 market cap. The total 3 market cap is like that fucking hoe that goes out at night when Bitcoin's still sleeping. You know, Bitcoin's sleeping, and then the total 3 market cap's like, I don't give a shit about Bitcoin. I'm just gonna go out and just smash the market right now. And that's why the total 3 market cap is up like literally 100% since Trump got elected. Okay, you guys are understanding my analogies, I hope, right? I'm not saying anything about any women or men in real life. I'm just using it as an analogy for how altcoins and Bitcoin have a very unique relationship. Okay, so right now the total 3 market cap, it's going to the moon. Like look how high it is. It's about to reach the all-time high. Okay, the all-time high is going to be reached probably in the next, I'm guessing like by the end of the year for sure, which is 1.13 trillion. Man, my OCD is kicking in. This shit on the side, guys, is pissing me off. I have to change the font. Ah, there you go. It's better. That's a lot better now. 12 is too big. 14. Okay, there you go. So we're going to hit the all-time high very soon. Okay, like very, very soon at 1.13 trillion. And this is the most important thing for you guys to understand. Okay, Bitcoin goes up first. Like
Listen, everybody, just listen. Listen while rubbing your nipples. It's gonna make you absorb this information much more.
So while you're rubbing your nipples and listening to my very unattractive voice, okay, you're gonna understand this firmly. Bitcoin goes to the upside. Okay, it goes up in a bull market like now. Okay, altcoins go up with it as well, but not that much. But because everybody is like buying Bitcoin because of, you know, Black Cock ETFs and stuff going to Black Rock ETF going to the upside. Okay, so companies like Black Cock, they're not gonna let these shut up, Emilia. She's just laughing at me. Companies like institutions like Black Cock, they're not gonna let crypto fail. There's just too much money. And everybody wants to get in on these ETFs. You know, it's now being it's easier access, right? With what is it called? IBIT, right? The IBIT ETF. So easy to access. Anybody can buy it. So everybody ends up buying Bitcoin. So the market goes up. Bitcoin dominance goes up tremendously. Do you guys see the Bitcoin dominance like leading from when this right here is when Bitcoin was suggested, the SEC suggested to BlackRock with their appeal how to get it approved. So ever since then, Bitcoin dominance goes up, Bitcoin price goes up. And then eventually what happens is people take their profits from Bitcoin, right? And then the Bitcoin dominance drops. The Bitcoin dominance refers to, like, if you guys don't know what the dominance is, it refers to how much of the market cap is in Bitcoin versus the entire market cap of crypto. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance, it drops. And then what happens is the total 3 market cap ends up going parabolic instead. Okay? So then people are taking their money out of Bitcoin and then they're basically putting into coins like Ethereum and altcoins. And then altcoins go up tremendously. So it's going to be time. Like, please, guys, I'm not trying to give you financial advice, but if you guys were my stupid little fucking brother, I would tell you to buy crypto soon and to get in, because your window of opportunity is running out. Even though you might believe that Bitcoin or altcoins have rallied too much already, you guys have seen fuck all. Like, the market hasn't even begun yet. Okay, like for example, myself, I'm in some pretty good positions. I took earlier today, like, what did I take? I took a $7,000 profit today, right, on Near. You guys don't see that, but I'll show you. $7,000 profit, or sorry, on Polkadot. And these are my current positions right now, where I'm up, I think, I don't know, like $30,000 or something like that. So I'm in like a $550,000 long position. Okay, and I'm basically doing very well. I'm up like, no, not that much anymore. I think, the market's been dropping. I think I'm only up like 15K now. Hold on, let me just double check on my phone. I was up 30K earlier, but the market's dropping. I'm up $18,800. All this combined. I kind of tend to long the same coins that I like, but I am in one short coin, Polkadot, because I believe that Polkadot has now reached the top. Polkadot is most likely reaching the top very, very soon. It's double topping, I believe. I think that all 5 waves are literally in already, and this is probably the highest it's going to get for now with a double top. And I can actually break it down and count all 5 waves, and this is also what I specialize in, which is usually catching the 5th wave. So I believe that all 5 waves from Polkadot is in, and now we're going to have a major correction for the entire cycle and actually end up hitting down to maybe between 850 and 780, where I plan to enter a $1 million long if this ends up happening. So overall, I'm up about maybe $300,000 now this month day trading, guys. And I'm going to share with you some of the tips, right? The reason I'm up like $300,000 is because I screenshot everything and I photo edited it. That's the fucking real reason. So if you're watching any of my live trading videos, I have the best fucking video editors that you can ever imagine in the world. They do such a good job of faking my profits, okay? And the reason I do that is because I want you guys to buy my content, you know? Because my content is faked and it's also so good at the same time. I'm just kidding, guys. But really though, I am up about 400K like total in my, like from just swinging day trading in like less than 30 days. So if you guys want to learn my strategies, it's time for you to get it. Okay, look at the link below. There's a 60% off sale to just get only my course and only my volatility scanner. And then there's no Discord or anything. It's a 60% off sale that goes on till the end of tomorrow. Instead of like $650, it's $250. Also, I'm so damn confident that if you don't like the content, I'll just refund your ass. And to be quite honest, if you don't think the content's good, you're probably not intelligent enough to understand how good the content is. I'm not trying to be rude to anybody, but that's probably how it is, because I've never had anybody refund my content before. Out of the thousands of things that I've sold. Hey Philakone, why do you sell content in courses and run a Discord group if you're doing so well in day trading? It's because I'm worth it, first of all. I really am worth it, and I value my content. And anything that is good enough deserves to have a value on it. Not only that, I would say it's important to diversify in the space of crypto. I like to day trade. I like to create content. I like to engage with people in a Discord group. I like to manage clients. This is just a very humble way of saying I like to diversify, making a shit ton of money. And that's the fucking truth. But I really do think that you guys should probably get in on the course if you haven't gotten it already, okay? Because it's gonna save you so much time and it's gonna fast track you. So just as a reminder to everybody, like how far we are in the bull market cycle, okay? This is gonna give you guys a shock if you haven't seen it yet. This is the simple year-to-date return on investment after the halving. As you can see, that we are the green line and we have barely made a splash in the market yet. There's going to be ups, there's going to be downs, ups and downs, but eventually the ROI is going to be massive. I think that the ROI will finish around 3.0 to 4.0 of when the Bitcoin price was at during the halving. So around this period, we're expecting, if it was about 3, I would say about $210,000 Bitcoin. If it was 4, about 280. So if you look at these charts, right, you can just see how they slowly diminish, right? But and the ROI doesn't get as big because the market cap is too big. So is it realistic to expect like a 2x or 3x? Because the last time we got a 7x. I think so. You guys can't hear my volume. The microphone says that it's actually very, very high. So I'm not sure what you're talking about, Thistle. Why don't you fucking turn up your volume? Because my microphone output is at the perfect decibel. Maybe your microphone, your speakers just, you're getting speakers from fucking Temu or something on your shitty ass laptop, Thistle. I think that my microphone is more than fine. Just saying. Yeah. So if you take a look at it, like it's very realistic to see, you know, a 2.0, 3.0, 210 to $300,000 ROI, right? I think that's realistic. Also, if you take a look at the fair market value right now, right, we're like not even close to getting close to the upper band. We're not even in the middle band. Like this is how a bull market looks, guys. 2012, we swing well above fair market value, okay? And then in 2017, I'm just joking with you, Thistle, by the way. Like, I'm just, guys, don't ever take me seriously, okay? Like, don't take me so hard. It's just a joke, not a dick, you know? So you can see that, like, up here, look how far it expands above the fair market value regression band, or the fair market value. It's just smashes it. And you take a look at 2021 again, it just goes well above it, right? Like, why would this year not be any different? Right? Like, why would it be any different? We're like not even close to there yet. There's so much room to go. Also, this is one of my favorite charts, guys, the risk bubble, short-term bubble. Okay, like usually in the bull market, you're gonna see it like outrageous. Like we're talking about like in the red zones, you know, like in the massive red zones where you should probably be getting out of your position. And then you see in 2021 is the exact same thing. Massive red zones. You should probably be getting out of your position, right? So like that's usually how it is. And then you can see now that we're not even close to that either. Like so people are like fearful right now of the market kind of being sideways a little bit for some coins, but it's time to buy, guys. It's time to buy. Like it's time to dollar cost average. I don't recommend buying everything in one go ever. Like that's silly. If you got FOMO, control that FOMO of yours. Don't buy everything at once because there's a lot of risk to buy everything at once in case there's a drop, right? So you want to make sure that you DCA. You split the risk. There's two risks. The risk of buying now, right? If you buy now, there's a drop where you could have bought a little bit earlier. But if you don't buy now, maybe altcoins are going to skyrocket. And this was actually the bottom and you're going to miss out on it. And you're going to have to buy in at a higher price. So because there's two risks on both sides, you know, like there's the risk of buying and there's the risk of not buying. What do? You just literally meet right down the middle and just keep dollar cost averaging. My dollar cost averaging schedule is Monday and also Thursday. I don't give a shit what the price is at. I'm buying on a Monday and I'm buying on a Thursday. As long as I don't think it's like crazy overextended, I will buy on a Monday and a Wednesday. So I'm always adding about $25 to $50,000 on a week. Okay, it's like spit out throughout the week, so about 25K each time. So I'm gonna try to get into some massive positions, and you guys are gonna thank me. I firmly believe that sometime in like in the early spring to summer is where you really want to accumulate hard, because you're gonna have to exit this market probably like in Q3, Q4 later, or like early Q4, late Q3. I don't expect this bull market to last anywhere longer than like honestly late August to like early October, maybe November the latest, because you can make a lot of money in the market, but you can also lose everything very quickly too. So it's very important to learn how to exit the market. Okay, guys? So I just wanted to leave you guys with a really quick video, and that's it. That's it, guys. Stay safe, stay strong. Bitcoin is in a consolidation period. I didn't even talk about Bitcoin really yet. Like Bitcoin's, it's in this period where it doesn't even matter. It's so boring right now, Bitcoin's probably gonna end up hitting right here. It's probably gonna bounce. If it doesn't bounce, then the market's probably gonna be disastrous for a while. And like I mentioned, the first 2 weeks of December is just something we're gonna have to get through. If this doesn't hold around, 93K, we're going right down to 91K. And then we're gonna figure it out from there. But in terms of altcoins, there's still a shit ton of altcoins that are still moving, which I'm gonna get to trading with my elite tier group right away. There's RSR moving today. There's XVG, right? And then there's IOTA. Oh man, I love IOTA. I don't know if you guys have been following me for long, but IOTA was one of the coins where I made hundreds of thousands of dollars from. It was one of the coins that helped me make my first million. And I love IOTA, like to trade. Jasmine ended up dropping already. I missed the short. 8% drop. Was not hard to catch this. Huge ass trend line that comes down. So let's go elite group. I'll see you guys there. We're gonna day trade. Let's make 5 figures today, okay? The minimum is 5 figures today. I'm already up $7,000 today. Let's go for another 3. So take it easy, guys. Thank you very much for joining my stream. And please don't ever take me seriously. I'm just a joke in every way. I don't take my life seriously either. Neither should you take mine. So have a great day. If you guys enjoyed my raw content, just hit a like button and give me a little bit of love, okay? Have a great day, and make sure you guys take a look at the link below. Sign up, man, for my 60% off sale. You guys are gonna know that it's one of the best investments that you'll make to learn how to day trade and learn my strategies. Take it easy, guys. I appreciate you so much. Sending you love from Mr.